quick and easy Dollar Tree high-end home decor, and I'm gonna show you how easy I made them. Hello my darlings, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and always giving me unconditional love and support. I'm using one of those white trays from Dollar Tree. I painted black, and I'm going through my calendar, Rooster calendar that I got it last year. I made some cute projects with them, and now I just want to add a cute rooster inside of the tray. And as I'm going through the pages, I think this purple blue Mr. Rooster, it will be just perfect for my tray. And as you can see, today I'm going to be creating some farmhouse home decor. I haven't done it in a while and I missed it. Let me know, do you still love farmhouse decor? Do you love that, or you are into different theme? With a marker, I went around the calendar and cut it off the round shape to fit inside of my tray. Now I just wanted to see if it fits okay before I glue it. I'm just adding just a simple paper glue, crafting glue, and with a brush, sponge brush, I'm just going around. I didn't add Mod Podge to glue it because these calendar sheets are so thick, so we don't need no Mod Podge. Just adding this crafting paper glue, it's gonna do its job. So I'm just adding a generous amount around the tray, and we're gonna add our sheet from the calendar. Super quick and easy, but it's gonna look very high-end decor for our kitchen. All I did is just I added the calendar sheet, and with the roller I just go around and make sure it's all nice and smooth. And we're gonna seal it with a Mod Podge on top, and that's it for this DIY. Super cute and quick and easy DIY, and I like how adding this dark black chalk paint brings so much more high-end look, better than the white one. And let me know, what do you think? Today I'm collaborating with all these amazing ladies. Ellie from DIY from House to Home, she's hosting this Dollar Tree Farmhouse DIYs collab, and she invited us to be part of it. Myself, Zita from Oakwell Home, and Gigi with At Home with Gigi, so we can create something beautiful from Dollar Tree. And all their links are in my description box, along with the playlist, and the playlist is also pinned in my comments. And please show lots of love to these ladies if you haven't done it by now, with liking, sharing, and subscribing. I grabbed those glass frames from Dollar Tree. I think they're new. I haven't seen them before. I removed the middle part, and now I'm just removing the border in the middle on the glass. All I need to is just that mini cutter that I got from the auto section from Dollar Tree, and it's just removing this so smoothly. You don't need no alcohol or anything else. With this, you're gonna get it all removed. I'm gonna be using 6 of those frames. I also removed the handle that it's coming on the back of it, and after that I'm gonna clean it well with alcohol, make sure there is no black dots left, and that's it. And now I'm gonna try to make a glass house, garden glass house. So I'm connecting them just to see how I'm gonna glue them. And I would highly recommend to use E6000. This time I'm using a hot Gorilla Glue, but to have a stronger and sturdy look, you will need a E6000 glue. So I'm just going around the edges and adding frame by frame so I can make a square shape, if that makes sense. Now that the first part is done, I'm adding the second frame on the other corner, just like so. I'm adding the glue first. Now that I got the two sides glued, all I'm going to do is I'm going to add the fourth part on top of them, just like so. I'm gonna leave those on the side, and then next we're gonna work on the roof. For the roof, I'm just gluing one corner from one frame to the other corner of the other frame. Simple as that. And you can add this roof on top of the glass house. I also glue it on the corners so it can be more sturdy. And that's it. Super simple and quick and easy home decor. Let me know, what do you think? For my last farmhouse look, I'm using this mason jar that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be adding some chalk paint. This ivory chalk paint is purchased from Lowe's from clearance rack. I only paid $2 for it. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cover my mason jar with it. I think I only give it one good coat of it, and I'm gonna let it dry. And now that it's all nice and dry, I'm just gonna sand it out just a little bit so we can have all those details on this mason jar and get that vintage farmhouse look out of it. Now that I got the look from the sanding, I'm also gonna stain my jar with this wood stain from, I got it, I believe it's from Lowe's or from my local store long time ago, and it works just perfect, just giving a little bit of rustic vintage look to it. And also I'm gonna be adding this beaded garland from Dollar Tree. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna reconstruct it a little bit because it's a little bit larger. I'm gonna cut off the twine on the back of it, and I'm gonna remove the beads so I can get those two buffalo beads up front and add the rest of them on the back. Now that I got the look that I like, finally, I'm gonna tie the twine on the back, and that's it for this quick and easy farmhouse decor. I had more ideas to work on the farmhouse, but this last couple of weeks, I've been so busy, and I am glad that I did those 3 projects. And we're gonna leave the rest of the farmhouse projects for one of my other next videos or so. And let me know, what do you think about all those projects that I made today? They're not even 5 minutes that you can spend and create a very high-end look, and nobody is gonna know that they're from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be adding this lavender or lilac floral, faux floral inside of it, and that's it. And before I let you go watching my final reveal, don't forget to check out the amazing Ellie, Zita, and Gigi. And Ellie, thank you so much for inviting me. This is so much fun, and I cannot wait to see what you guys created today. And my darlings, until next time, I got so many adventures for you and creations. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye bye.